Hey there, today we're diving into the world of creativity and learning with the OKK Robot Building Toys for Boys, an incredible STEM project kit for kids ages 8 to 12. This educational kit includes 635 pieces of safe and durable ABS plastic blocks, allowing kids to build their own robot while enhancing their hands-on skills and creativity. With a remote control distance of up to 65 feet and the ability to connect via phone app, this robot offers multiple control modes including path, voice, gravity sensor, and STEM programming, making it a versatile and engaging learning tool. The robot's joints are fully movable, allowing for expressive movements and 360-degree stunts, while the USB rechargeable design ensures endless hours of fun. This kit is perfect for sparking an interest in engineering and coding, as kids can build, code, and play with snap-together parts and servo motors. Whether it's for a birthday or a special occasion, this robot building kit is the ultimate gift for any child eager to explore the exciting world of STEM. So, get ready to unleash your child's imagination and watch them thrive with this fantastic educational toy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.